Listen, right now, in a world that's rushing, scrolling, and forgetting to breathe, you still have the power to create something real. Welcome back to Southern Eats, family. My name is Amelia, and I'm your guide for this episode, and today we're stepping into the kitchen like it's the battlefield for your best life. We're making the ultimate one-pan Southern roasted chicken with potatoes and veggies, using legs, thighs, or the whole bird, and every single vegetable hiding in your fridge right now. This isn't just dinner. This is discipline on a plate. This is heritage in every bite. Let's build something beautiful together. This recipe carries centuries of Southern soul. Roasting chicken goes all the way back to the hearth fires of early settlers and the resourceful kitchens of the South, where European roasting traditions met the ingenuity of those who worked the land. Chickens became everyday heroes on Southern farms. Potatoes and root vegetables kept families fed through hard seasons, and nothing was ever wasted. It's the everyday cousin to that famous fried gospel bird. Simpler, slower, deeper in flavor. Today we honor that same spirit. Use what you have. Turn ordinary into unforgettable. That's not just cooking. That's Southern resilience. That's you, deciding today is going to be different. Here's what you need for 4 to 6 hungry people. 1 3.5 to 4.5 pound whole chicken, or 6 to 8 bone-in, skin-on legs and thighs if you want it faster and even juicier. 2 pounds potatoes, Yukon Gold, red, or russet, whatever you've got. 4 to 6 cups of any veggies in your fridge right now. Carrots, onions, celery, bell peppers, zucchini, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, even a stray parsnip or turnip. 4 tablespoons olive oil or melted butter. 2 teaspoons kosher salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon rosemary. 5 to 6 whole garlic cloves and a lemon if you have one. That's it. No fancy store runs, just real ingredients and real intention. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. High heat, because we're not playing small today. Pat that chicken bone dry with paper towels. Every drop of moisture you remove is one more step toward crispy skin and juicy meat. Feel that? You're already in control. Mix all your seasonings with half the oil. If it's a whole bird, get some under the skin, inside the cavity, and all over the outside. Stuff the cavity with lemon halves and garlic if you have them. That's flavor that keeps giving. Legs and thighs, same rub, even easier. They forgive everything and stay juicy. Now the veggies. Chop everything into similar-sized chunks so they cook together. Big pieces for carrots and potatoes, smaller for softer stuff like zucchini. Toss them in the rest of the oil and the remaining seasoning. Spread them in a large roasting pan or sheet pan. This is your foundation. Nestle the chicken right on top or right in the middle. Everything touching, everything working together. That's the Southern way. One pan, one purpose. Slide it in. Whole bird, 70 to 85 minutes. Legs and thighs, 45 to 55 minutes. Halfway through, stir the veggies and spoon those beautiful pan juices back over the chicken. That's called basting. It's love in liquid form. Pull it when the thickest part hits 165 degrees. Skin should be deep golden, potatoes crispy at the edges, veggies caramelized and sweet. Pro moves. Add heartier veggies at the start, softer ones halfway so nothing turns to mush. Want extra Southern flair? Hit it with a little Cajun seasoning or a drizzle of honey in the last 15 minutes. Leftovers? Shred that chicken for tacos, soup, or sandwiches. Nothing wasted, ever. Take it out. Let it rest 10 to 15 minutes. Patience right here separates good from life-changing. Carve or pull. Pile everything on a big platter. Chicken in the center, those gorgeous veggies all around. Spoon the pan juices over everything like gravy from heaven. First bite. Crispy skin, juicy meat, potatoes soaked in chicken flavor, sweet roasted carrots, whatever veggie you rescued from the fridge now tasting like it was always meant to be here. This is comfort. This is pride. This is you showing up for yourself and your people. Family, you just proved something powerful today. You don't need perfect ingredients or perfect circumstances. You just need to start with what you have and give it everything. That's Southern Eats. That's real motivation. If this fired you up to get in the kitchen, Hit that like button hard, subscribe to A Southern Eats, and turn notifications on so you never miss the next one. Drop in the comments right now. What veggies were in your fridge today? Tell me your twist. I read every single one. Share this with someone who needs a little motivation on their plate. Thank you for cooking with me. Until next time, keep it Southern, keep it real, and keep showing up. God bless y'all. See you in the next video.